Have you ever tried to center something in CSS and it just wouldn't cooperate? You tweak margins, you play with paddings, try position absolute, and nothing works.
Game over.
Well, today I'm going to show you the easiest way to center anything in CSS. No hacks, no headaches. Let's talk about the wrong ways of centering items, because trust me, we have all been there before. The first mistake a lot of people do is using margin auto. It only works for block elements with a defined weight. Without the block element having a weight, it's going to take up full weight of the parent container. But when you go back and give it a weight, now it's going to be centered vertically. But we're still having the same issue. It is not centered in the middle of the box. Which takes us to the second mistake a lot of developers do when centering, which is using position absolute. It looks fine, right? But the moment you resize the page, now you have a broken layout. It is no more centered. Which takes us to the third mistake. A lot of time when developers get frustrated when it comes to centering, they tend to use padding and line height just to fix it. Please stop stuttering CSS. Okay, let's go to the fun part. How to center anything perfectly every time. The first method is using Flexbox. Forget about the child element. All we need is to focus on the parent container. You give the parent container a display of flex, align items of center with a justify content of center. And with few lines of code, your item is going to be centered at the middle of the page. The second method, the super simple way, CSS grid. Just like Flexbox, it also focuses only in the parent container. You give the parent container a display of grid with a place item of center. But most importantly, make sure your parent container is having a fixed height. With 2 lines of code, your item is centered in the middle of the page. Here is your bonus tip, the hash selector. This new CSS feature lets you target a parent only if it has a child inside. Super cool, right? Let me show you how it works. These 3 containers are having the same class name with a name of parent, but the child element are having a different class name. Let's target the first box and target the child element and center it here. The easiest way to do it is to target the parent container and inside the hash selector and target the child element with a .child1. You give it a display of flex, align items of center with a justify content of center. If you want, you can add a background color to it, just to show you how it works. And just like that, you have targeted the first div and centered its child element. So this is one of the features of hash selector, and it's going to be very useful to you when you're working on a big project. And just like that, no more centering nightmares. Which method do you like best among them? Flexbox, grid, or the hash selector? Let me hear in the comment section. And if you've enjoyed this video, check out this video where I talked about more advanced stuffs in CSS and Flexbox and everything you need to know about Flexbox.
Are you tired of your clunky, outdated keyboard? Do you want to elevate your typing experience? Well, look no further, because today I bring to you a Keychron K8 Pro. It's their first ever wireless mechanical keyboard that boasts premium aluminium frame. It has wireless connectivity that connects up to 3 different devices via Bluetooth 5.1 for seamless switching between devices, either your computer, your phone, or your tablet. The battery life is something else. It has a long battery life that provides up to 300 hours of usage with the backlight off, ensuring extended use without frequent charging. If you're interested in checking out more information about this product, the link is in the description of this video, or check my bio, you find the link there. And please take note, this is not a sponsored video. but an affiliate. So when you purchase something actually out of this product, I get a commission out of it, which is also a way of supporting my channel. So please, if you're interested in checking out more about this product, the link is in the description of this video, or check my bio. So with that, now let's head back to our video.